know the man, I don't know anything about, and I don't want him to feel bad, Now you're gonna make me talk and make a big deal out of it. And I don't want to do that because I want the man to enjoy him time to Jamaica. And he didn't come to me, he came to Rose. And Rose just traveled me along because I don't know if it was for comfortability or what it was. So his meeting was between him and Rose. It wasn't between he and I. So I just want to make that very, very clear. And I want him to enjoy his time. And I don't want this little stench to be put on his vacation. Because guys, I don't feel bad about what I said because
What?
I'm gonna sit there and let somebody call me stupid and call me out of my name. I don't feel bad about that, and I'm not going to apologize for what I said. What I will apologize for is how I acted overall for the entire night. That is what I will apologize.
Hold on. Say don't feel a way. Say you call the man, but
I didn't call him that much.
Hola. When you call him, no, guys, we're not telling her this is not my situation. That's why we're laughing, But we like, Ornella the first time, she was pretty decent and soft-hearted, guys. We're not telling her, we're not laughing, so we just laugh the mere fact, Ornella, for the live. I said, someone tell him, say, I'm batty, man. But that was an indirect speech that is telling the crowd, say, if it's a batty, man, and all that was just, we don't expect that from you.
Mackerel, I can't. I that's not an indirect speech because I don't know that about the man. I don't know the man.
So you just said something?
Because I believe I said, what if I was supposed to follow the internet and say that you are a B word? That's what I said.
But I follow internet because they use it. Why you couldn't say, who the fuck you call this stupid little idiot, man? So you just go call man batty, man.
So everybody's just gonna dismiss my feelings after I was there.
That's what I say. Like, why you couldn't?
You know, the entire time I was there eating my food, and both of them kept on asking me a question.
Yeah, look like that man was saying, answer the question.
Yeah, me never want.
And mother say you're afraid of the girl. That he was say you're afraid of the girl. So anybody say you're afraid of the girl.
He was saying that it looked like I'm afraid of Rose, or I'm stupid and I call me out of my name. So y'all don't think that I'm going to be triggered by that? No, don't say that because you guys are not girls. So I'm supposed to just sit
here. Girls. We never hear the stupid part. We are girls. We never say them.
But I'm just telling you, whomever was on the live should have heard it. Him call me stupid and him call me all of these names, guys. And I just reacted
so wait, why you could have answered to the part if you're afraid of that person? You're not afraid of that person, you're a big woman. Or why you don't want to answer then?
Mackerel, let me tell you something. You see what I've realized with the internet? You see when people start to get close, the internet want to rip that apart. They would do the same thing. The same thing when I get on live with you and you get mad and you say be quiet or you say shut up or you say done with that. I'm going to say alright, you got it.
We tell her shut up.
Yeah, Mackerel, you do that enough time. You say,
so when blood clot, you don't allow me alone. What that mean that you're afraid of me?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. You say, well, the blood clot, you don't leave me alone. And I say, all right, no problem. You got it. It's the same thing. I'm not scared of you. But because of Rose, them say me and Rose close, they're going to use that. I understand how Rose is, and I understand her for who she is. I'm not trying to change her. I understand who she is, and I operate with who she is. The same way I operate with everybody that I interact with, and I know who they is. I operate with them like that. So me no, and I don't understand why you guys not understanding why I got triggered. Every reaction, but they're not seeing like what got me triggered. You know what I mean? And guys, I'm not gonna apologize for what I said, but I will.
Yeah, apologize. Say I caught a character. Say, well, I'm sorry. That's not me. I was just under the influence of Red Stripe. Sorry. Yeah, you can't say that.
Mackerel, I said that I apologize for the overall night because it was a disaster. I can't talk about nobody else's behavior, but me personally, Mackerel, I acted horrible, and
Did I go to Hellshire and have dinner? Like, did I try it again for one more time?
With who? Of course, I'm not gonna go to Hellshire.
With the guests.
But he didn't come to me, Mackerel. That's what I'm telling you. I didn't go out with him. It was the event was for him and Rose. I was excluded. It wasn't for me. I was literally just a third party. That's why I was minding my business when they was having their conversation.
Oh, that means that you pay for your own food to then.
Yes, it was just.
So somebody never invite you out. Oh, you just did one because you look like you eat big fish and.
I did not. Oh, Rose asked me. She asked me to come with her. For the reason she asked me to come with her, she asked me to come with her, and I was like, okay, then cool.
Oh, like also that means like it was a bodyguard something business and like it was a little bodyguard and it's a follow back or something.
No.
Okay, we are get.
Don't play with me, Mackerel. Anything you want. Call me a third party. Call me any for support. I will say for support. Mackerel, I try to play herself. Don't play with me.
No, we don't. No, yeah, we don't remember the word that support. We don't remember. But we are support. No, couldn't support.
Mackerel, it's like when you're with your girlfriend. First of all, say if you're going on a date with a guy for the first time, and you don't know the guy, you'll be like, "Girl, come with me. I'm going on a date with this boy. Just come with me." You sit there as a friend. You make sure.
Oh yeah, third wheel.
Yes, call me a third.
Oh, okay. Yeah, third wheel. If anything, puncher. Oh, okay. Oh, we understand now. No, true, we don't really care. When we are gonna meet, man, I'm alone gonna meet my man. Them, so anything for me, very good.
Like to bring a friend with us for safety reasons.
No. But I mean, the girl, we are gonna take the cat. Them, support the woman did want that. Where I go? Support the woman did that one girl ride peace last night. You just go black. Look at traffic right there, so now.
Mackerel, if any piece was being given, first of all, the woman of our man, and if any piece was given, I would have never been invited by her to come. But anyways, Mackerel, the thing that I'm trying to say, guys, the outing was between Roy and Rose. Just don't include you guys. That's why I was staying quiet. Rose kept on asking me first.
So if the outing was between the woman and the man. When we are up alive, why you tell me say you're out with the woman and the man? I never asked you. I'm asking you who pay for your food.
And I just got it right.
Yes, you know, say it's a bomb buckle. If you put that's exactly yes, you want to see why I'm trouble back Ornella, right, guys? Me I talked to Ornella last night. I said, Ornella, who is paying for your food? Ornella, what to eat? Yeah, Ornella, I am out here with so and so.
You know why I was doing that? Because I know you and Rose have beef, and I was trying to get you guys to talk. And
that any girl will talk about my blood clot pitting or talking can't in that.
All right.
Never will. Right, but them girl are dead to me. Heart, soul, and body will real feelings we tell them. But tough laugh with them now, man. Cause you're not limited. You're not even so make a call Roger. Me tell Roger say you're out with man and you can't pay your bill. Yeah, come tell I am out here with so and so. They ask that?
First of all, Roger knew where I was going, and second of all, Mackerel, I had my money.
Oh. Yeah. So you think so you believe the internet when it so
Mackerel, me not touch pan that. Me not touch pan.
You see call him on Batman now.
Me never call him that, Mackerel. Stop. For real, because I don't want him to feel bad. Stop.
But he look like him never have no great time. We don't even look like him have a great time with Zeke and say, oh, he man see energy matches and you where you want to run me for? Leave me I'm a co-worker.
Response. As a man, not even a man when me asleep would call me stupid. Me don't.
You fuck?
You don't do that. You don't do like me not understand why I don't see that what happened previously, why I had a reaction. Everybody's just dismissing my freaking reaction, my what was said to me. Why am I so wicked? Why everybody's dismissing?
Yeah, why them so wicked for you? Wicked for you, girl. Wicked girl.
Nobody is looking at what was said to me. The entire time.
Like him say, he's a stupid girl. Like when say, he's stupid girl.
The entire time they're like, oh, do you think a straight man is supposed to go hang out with a man where tech man? Them not said that, but I'm just rephrasing. Do you think that it's okay for a straight man to go hang out with a man with tech man?
Or like anybody will be at the first time and they come call me stupid. Because tell
you class like that, I don't know how to class like that. The question was brought on the table. Do you think a man that is straight is supposed to be hugging or going to go hang out with a man that?
So what you say? If not for hug Derek and hang out with Derek?
That wasn't my question, Mackerel. You know, listen, Mackerel, stop. No, that I was asked that question. That question was being asked to me. Do you